After 5,000 years of Kali Yuga, Dharma Devta, the deity of righteousness, will exist only in sacred places on earth. Sin will increase excessively. Conflicts will rise everywhere. Diseases will become rampant due to overeating, excessive sleep, and lack of sleep. Peaceful people will become short-tempered. Wicked people and deceivers will multiply. Varna and ashrama dharmas, social and spiritual duties, will not be followed. Virtuous people will become devoid of virtues. Great individuals will turn into hypocrites and wicked people. Kings will abandon their royal duties and become slaves to vices. Caste duties will vanish. All races will intermingle. People will die fighting due to conflicts. Crops will fail. Disputes between fathers and sons will increase. Without proper boundaries, men and women will become corrupt. People will insult gods, brahmins, teachers, and elders. Fear of thieves, suffering from diseases, and fear of fire will increase. People will steal each other's property. Forests will disappear. Wild animals will attack villages. Elephants will give birth to piglets. Pigs will give birth to monkey offspring. People will become poor due to infatuation with prostitutes. All castes will study the Vedas. Merchants will commit more fraud in their businesses and amass wealth dishonestly. They will submit to authorities and lose respect among ordinary people. Farmers and laborers will abandon their professions and enter politics driven by power hunger, facing hardships without foresight. They will appear prosperous to onlookers and gain respect and honor. The Godavari river will dry up for 12 days. During this time, the gatekeepers of Kalhasthishvara will fight. The glory of Kalhasthishvara will diminish, and he will reach Kandimalaya village. Venkateswara Swami's right arm will tremble. In every village, dogs will become uncontrollable. People weaker than infants will be born. Dogs and jackals will hunt and eat people. Stars will be visible in the sky during the day. It will be an era where wolves deceive people with miracles and slit their throats. Thieves will become lords. A kingdom without a king will emerge. Venkateswara's wealth will be stolen by the lords. One's wealth will become another's. The righteous will have no shelter. Children will dominate. Ganpati's Vedic mantras will be recited in every village. Poisonous winds will blow from the northeast. Stars will fall from the sky to the earth. In the month of Kartika, on Bahula Dwadashi, strange stars will appear in the north and shine for 5 months. Lakshmi Devi will roam in Karnataka. In the Malayalam region, a monkey called Mandapala will talk to humans. Tirupati will become a big city one day, and Tirumal will become Vaikuntha. Wars will increase on earth. Piles of bones like mountains will form. A teacher will emerge in every town. My devotees will spread righteousness. My name will be commercialized and misused. Powers that swallow people who stray from the righteous path will emerge. All castes will eat goat's meat. 360 types of diseases will arise. Inflammation will rise from the feet to the head, causing suffering. Traditions will vanish, and unrighteous practices will multiply. Social hierarchies and distinctions will blur. One person's effort will benefit another. Lust and anger will exceed limits, and righteousness will be destroyed. The Shiva Lingam in the temple built by Achimma will be worshipped as long as the sun and moon exist. Saraswati will be commercialized. Lakshmi Devi's reign will come. The poor, struggling financially, will sell their daughters. The Musi River will flood the entire city. Forests will turn into agricultural lands. Cremation grounds will become residential areas. Villages will turn into towns. Women will become men, and men will become women. Brass will turn into gold, and such jewelry will be found in every household. In this corrupted Kali Yuga, there will be no place for Dharma Devta. Milk and water will be treated equally. Marriages will occur without regard to caste or lineage. The rich will sell their sons to become wealthier. Only the wealthy will gain power, respect, and honor. Virtuous people will not be recognized. Teachers will lose their teacherly duties, and students their student duties. White rulers will come and govern the land. Under their rule, the caste system will deteriorate. Their civilization will spread across the country. They will favor the lower castes and pour money into spreading their religion. They will show heaven through services and deceive people into submission. Vedic dharmas will be corrupted. Native languages will be undermined, and the spirit of India will be crushed. Smoke-emitting engines will run on iron tracks. Lamps will be lit with water. There will be poison in people's hearts, and sweetness only in words. Counterfeit children will be born, and adulteration will be rampant in everything. People will engage in games and conversations with animals, distancing themselves from fellow humans. Young men and women will stop marrying and will be content with love alone. For money, they will kill even their mothers without remorse. Young children will be married to old men, and wealth will be hoarded with satisfaction. People will abandon ancestral homes and migrate for livelihoods. 100 years of experience will come at 20, and people will lose all strength. The joy of seeing a mother's face in hard times and a child's face in death will become rare. Believing in civilization, people will increase unnecessary expenses and fall into debt. Deceitful children who covet their parents' property will be born. Mountains and hills will be leveled. Dams will be built across all rivers. Deep pits will become even with the ground. The gap between rich and poor will disappear. Many comets will appear. The hardness of rocks in mountains will diminish. Trees will lose their essence and become lifeless. In one night, the entire globe will dry up without water. Truth will perish, and falsehood will reign. Lies will reign like fire, destroying families, villages, towns, and countries. Human bodies will become nests of diseases, looking healthy on the outside. Even when Yam, the god of death, comes to offer wise counsel, people will not listen. People will seek comfort through theft and robbery. They will oppress others, amass wealth unjustly, and leave it for their offspring. They will abandon their wives and children, wandering as fake ascetics. Pretending to be saints, they will perform power rituals and sacrifice infants. Trusting women will be deceived under the guise of teachings and will be drowned in sorrow. In every field, women will rise and guide men. Conflicts will arise between men and women, each claiming superiority. Bananas will ripen early, and burdens will fall on mothers' heads. Drowning in desires and greed, people will fall into the hands of cheats and thieves, losing their happiness through suffering. Kings will implement harsh laws, and officials will enforce them even more strictly. The poor will have no shelter and will live in dirty drains and on heaps of garbage. Governments will oppress people through taxes. Fake gurus will exploit disciples under the guise of divine worship and foot rituals. Heavy objects will float in water, while lighter ones will sink. Numerous electric lights will shine without drying in the rain. Long-distance hearing and sight will become accessible to everyone. Desired tasks will be completed instantly without delay. Vehicles will be available to every village. In the northern country, a virtuous man named Gandhi will be born among the Vaishyas and will lead the independence movement. Many unimaginable events will occur. A crow will kick a kite. Cow slaughters will happen in Kumbhakonam. In Addanki region, a man as great as Buddha will be born. In one village, a palm tree will lie down during the day and stand up at night. People will worship it as a divine tree. The uneducated will become priests and ministers. People of all religions will worship Venkateswara Swami. A fraudster will come to the Palnadu region and loot all the wealth of the people. The people of Palnadu will graze on leaves like goats. A two-headed snake will come near the Brahmaramba Devi in Srisailam. As soon as everyone sees it, it will merge into the idol of the goddess. The Nandi at Yaganti will rise and take a giant leap, shaking the universe. In response, the Nandi in Srisailam will leap back. The mountains in Srisailam will shatter, and rocks will fly upwards. Huge waves will rise in the Krishna river. The subterranean Ganga will rise and touch the feet of Mallikarjun Swami, making the entire place sacred. Many such miracles will happen. These are divine secrets that not everyone can understand. There is much more to this prophecy. I will reveal more in due time. Listen attentively.